Hi Giants. Today we're going to walk through the process of adding multiple Nearpod session links, one for each class period. So the first step, add your Nearpod live lesson. My go-to is always this guy. And there you go. Now I'm going to edit the link and change the name to first period. Save it, and then I'm going to repeat the process. Same presentation. And now I'm going to edit it. Title. For my next class. Save changes. And there you go. And you can repeat that process as many times as necessary to create as many sessions as need for each class period or group of students that you have. The important thing is then to just remember that you have to instruct students to join the correctly so that they're all joining the session that you are watching.